All right, it is time for some. I'm recording from a laptop, so I'm not too sure whether stuff's working, but let's see. It's time for the trial balance. And looking at it right now, if you've seen one of these before, it is not that ambitious. We don't have any income or expenses. We don't have more assets, and we actually are also not really describing our purchase tax and our sales tax. So I actually thought we would spice things up a bit. This is where we ended off. We're actually going to play a bit with our dashboard. So I thought above income, guess here, we can have expenses, income, expenses. All right, does that look good? Not bad. And then maybe let's say we have some, we took a loan maybe to research something. So we would have in on our balance sheet, we would have uh, uh, tangible, that's called intellectual property, maybe intangible assets, intangible assets, intangible, and we paid for that with a loan, so that's a liability, and we definitely not higher than this year's result. That's also always one of the highest. We can just call this one loan. Loan chart. Oh, well, let's just call it a loan. All right. So let's see. All right. Pretty good. A loan definitely not looks like this. Loan balance. That's no. We actually want the liabilities. So we want the liabilities on the balance sheet. All right. Accounts payable. We could say that's a long-term debt. Probably a short-term debt. That makes more sense. Let's call it long-term debt. Long-term debt. All right. Pretty good. So what do we need to fetch? We need to fetch, I guess we could do more stuff. We might edit this over, but let's see. We could do sales tax and purchase tax. All right, so we have the income and expenses. From those, we can calculate the net income. We need to define what we have of intangible assets. I'm going to go to our controller. We made one of these. So we want to have income, expenses, intangible assets, intangible assets, make it up. We want the bank account will be based on this year's result is the same as net income, so we have that. No need to fetch that. The intangible assets we have, the bank account will be based on net income, and that's actually just based on net income. I guess since we paid the whole loan to get the intangible assets, so bank income will be equal to net income. We have that. This year result is also equal to net income. Purchase tax will be 80% of the expenses. That'll probably be a negative number, but that's how it's supposed to be. Sales tax is 80% of the income, so that when you put 25 on top of it, it's going to be 100%. Long-term debt is going to be the same as intangible assets which we're going to make up. Okay, so that's it. That's what we want to make, and that will be for the next video.